Arctic, a harsh frozen land where survival battles never cease. Polar bears lurk, ambushing prey on the ice. They also attack one another in fierce confrontations. In the deep sea, orcas cooperate like silent assassins. Packs of Arctic wolves relentlessly chase down large prey to exhaustion on the snowy plains. In this icy world, there is no room for weakness. Every moment is a struggle where strength and skill determine life and death. The bear is a powerful symbol of the Arctic, where temperatures can plummet to 50 degrees C with thick white fur and an insulating layer of fat. These apex predators reign at the top of the food chain. Polar bears spend most of their time on drifting ice floes hunting seals, their primary and energy-rich food source. A sudden ambush from beneath the ice is often enough to take down their prey. However, climate change and rapidly melting ice force these majestic creatures to swim longer distances for sustenance. As the rulers of the icy wilderness, polar bears rarely encounter natural competitors. However, danger sometimes comes from within their species. Adult male bears may attack cubs in a reproductive strategy seen in many carnivorous species. Offspring, males push females back into estrus, creating opportunities to mate. These brutal interactions showcase the harsh realities of nature and the survival instincts that define this majestic predator. The orca, the killer whale, is the ultimate predator of the icy oceans. For their exceptional intelligence and teamwork, orcas typically hunt in pods, targeting seals, great white sharks, and even young blue whales. With swimming speeds reaching up to 56 km/h, they effortlessly chase down agile prey. Orcas use echolocation to locate and communicate with each other, enabling their pod to coordinate hunts with precision. Each member often plays a specific role, creating a perfectly executed group strategy. Orcas frequently migrate to the icy waters of the Arctic during the melting ice season, where they seize opportunities to hunt. One of their unique tactics involves pushing seals off ice floes or generating waves to overturn the ice. Also adept at waiting for weakened prey to strike immediately. In every hunt, orcas display their strength and remarkable ingenuity. Exemplifying their status as top predators in the ocean. The Arctic wolf epitomizes resilience in one of the planet's harshest environments. They live in small packs of 5 to 10 members, relying on close cooperation for survival. Their main prey includes Arctic hares, caribou, and occasionally musk oxen, large and challenging quarry. When hunting larger prey, uses innovative strategies. Some wolves drive the prey, while others wait for the perfect moment to strike. Their persistence and endurance often lead to success, even against formidable prey. Unlike other wolf species, Arctic wolves face minimal competition from other predators due to their remote and extreme habitat. However, they must endure freezing temperatures, polar nights, and scarce food, particularly in winter. Arctic wolves demonstrate unparalleled survival in one of the world's most unforgiving terrains, with thick fur, skilled hunting techniques, and strong pack bonds. The snowy owl is a stealthy yet highly effective predator of the Arctic. Its strong wings and soft white plumage allow it to blend seamlessly into the snowy landscape. Snowy owls prey primarily on lemmings, Arctic hares, and occasionally small birds. Patient and observant, they perch on high vantage points to survey their surroundings and use keen hearing to detect prey beneath the snow. With With razor-sharp vision, they spot targets from afar and swoop at incredible speeds, using sharp talons to quickly dispatch their prey. However, life for snowy owls is not without challenges. Food scarcity forces them into competition with Arctic foxes or larger birds of prey. Frequent snowstorms further complicate hunting. Despite these hardships, snowy owls symbolize strength and adaptability in the face of nature's trials. On drifting ice floes, walruses are protectors and warriors of the frozen seas. Massive bodies and long tusks resembling swords, walruses are formidable adversaries in the battle for survival. They live in large herds, forming fortress-like clusters amid the vast, icy expanse. Walruses are masters of survival in the frigid waters of the Arctic. They dive deep to the ocean floor, searching for clams and mollusks buried in the sand. Once located, they use powerful suction to extract the meat, leaving empty shells scattered on the seabed. Life in the Arctic always carries risks. The walrus herd quickly forms a defensive circle when a polar bear approaches. The largest individuals position themselves on the outer edges, using their bulk and sharp tusks as formidable deterrents. Polar bears attempt to isolate a weaker walrus with their strength and patience. Yet the herd's unity and constant movement create an impenetrable barrier, thwarting even the fiercest predators. Intense moments highlight the walrus's resilience and collective strength against the dangers of the harsh Arctic. Every victory ensures survival and reaffirms their role as enduring icons of the wild. Fox masters camouflage and adaptation. Its thick, fluffy white fur allows it to blend perfectly with its surroundings, providing an edge in its silent hunting expeditions. The Arctic fox's life is a series of clever confrontations. It preys on lemmings, a nearly inexhaustible food source. Agile and quick, the Arctic fox eludes threats like wolves and larger birds of prey, always a step ahead in survival. More than just a symbol of adaptability, the Arctic fox is a strategic survivor in the wild. Even in the harsh conditions of the Arctic, it proves that even the smallest creatures can triumph in the battle for survival. The frozen wilderness is home to only the strongest. Each species employs unique strategies to thrive in extreme conditions, from polar bears and orcas to Arctic wolves, walruses, and snowy owls. Their survival stories reveal the raw power, intelligence, and persistence that define the natural world's beauty and brutality. We have explored the Arctic's wild beauty and fierce survival stories.